Hello everyone, this is Gleb, and today I want to show you an example of checking checkboxes. If the application code pops a window confirm dialog when you try to set the value to true. So I'm checking this checkbox that says banana, and the browser is asking turn banana on. And if I say OK, then it's checked. But if I try to turn it on again and say cancel, then it's ignored. Same for orange. It's asking if I should turn the orange on or off. Here's the source code. All we do, we use the target, which is checkbox element, and if you want to check it, so if it's true, then we call the confirm. The confirm is a built-in method on a window object, so it's equivalent to saying window confirm, but by default, all globals are read from the window in the browser. So we're using the value of a checkbox, so banana, apple, or orange, to form the text message. So how would you test this from Cypress? You want to check the checkbox if it's unchecked and confirm that it called the confirm function or window method to actually show the right text. All right, move it to the left. What we want to do is to prepare. We want to prepare that the application is going to call window confirm method, which means we want to get the application window object. We get the window reference, and now we can use size stub and give it the object and the method name that we want to stub. And we want to say return true, because we want to say true, right? So it continues. And we want to save it as a reference so we can check it later. It's not return, it returns. Okay, so we're good. And now if we click on the checkbox, notice what happens. The stub is executed. You can see how many times it was called, and we can see the argument. So now let's take a look at the checkboxes themselves. We want to get all checkboxes, and there's a shortcut in jQuery colon checkboxes, but this gets us all three. We don't want to call all three. We want to just take those two that are currently unchecked. So we can say, get me all checkboxes that are not checked. So now there are only two. And now I want to click each checkbox one by one. So I'll use each, which gets me the element. Well, it gives you a jQuery object, but now we can wrap jQuery element and call check. And I'm wrapping it so that Cypress can now see the check command, right? And actually do its own actionability, visibility checks, pun intended, before it tries to check it. Okay, so what happens? Notice we grab two unchecked checkboxes, and then for each one, for the orange one and banana one, we call the check, and after each one, our stub was called with the right text. So let's confirm that the text was correct. What we can do, we can get the alias confirm, which is our stub, defined right here. And now we can confirm that it should have been called with and give the argument. And the argument, well, let's make a variable so it's clear message. Turn, and now we need the value. So we have an element, and because this is all static, we can use the attribute. If the value of a checkbox were dynamic, we would use property, but basically we say L attribute value on question mark. Okay, did I form it correctly? Yes. So we grab both unchecked checkboxes, and one by one we checked it. The application called window.confirm method, and we got the confirm stub alias and confirm it was actually called correctly. This example can be found on my Cypress examples site. I will link the site in the description of this video.